Here we have more eBay packages. They're all from eBay. Got a couple more coming in. So let's unbox this first. This one's the one that's shipping label on it. Couldn't like get that Hi. I have to use so much fucking tape. Both those speakers, okay. This one has a speaker in it. I'm gonna say it out loud yet. Oh my god, that's a fucking disaster. Can't rotate it. That's excessive. What the fuck? I got that off. That far away. There's shipping label on this. Of course, I have to use bubble wrapping. Yes, sir. I hope this is in good condition. These speakers are fucking rare these days. Okay, good signs. I fucking hate too much wrapping. I'll set my phone here down. Wow. Perfect. Few stretches. The drivers are intact. I finally got a good speaker. Remember one of these? Remember these TV speakers? These are the Syntax TV speakers, the Olivia ones. The exact same set part that I needed for this set. I'm taking one of these apart, the one I broke back in 2021. So I finally got a perfect set now. I needed that, so I got two speakers now. This box seems a bit heavy. Oh, it looks like there's shit way behind. That is mine. I don't want to show people's address. Of course, I can barely see it though. actually, I would like end this video and like block this part out. Okay. So these are extension cords. I ordered like six of these. Actually, more than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually ordered like 10 of those. 7, 8, 9, 10. So these come in 5. Everything so far came in good condition. I need these for my lights. You can use extension cords. It depends on the application. If you're using it like for like a long time, then don't ever use them as a space heater. Like it will catch your house on fire. You can use it as long as you want to, but this is not permanent, of course. You can use it like years and with lights and stuff, but for permanent wiring, this is not recommended at all. It's not meant to handle the current. But for lights, it's a different thing. And low wattage stuff. Hopefully they seem in good shape. If not, I'm gonna ask for a refund, like in this story. This looks like a TV speaker. Or a boombox speaker or whatever. So this came from like an arcade cabinet. Actually casino cabinet, not arcade. This is like a woofer. A small woofer, not a subwoofer. Oh, it provides a decent bass. This is like overkill for like a casino machine. This would be good for like a TV or a Bluetooth speaker. Yep, it came in fantastic shape. So yep, got everything in good condition so far. Yep. Thanks for watching.